Hello, welcome to Cannin Plannin Q-Tip. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how many inserts you can fit into our new Classic Pro. I've grabbed a couple of packages jump bands. We have them available in white and black, and today I'm going to show you how you can fit from 2 to 6 inserts inside the Classic Pro using our jump band system. There are 2 bands in the Classic Pro, and you can easily fit 1 insert on each band. But today we're going to use jump bands, which I have already placed for you. You can see they are down the center of the insert so that I have 2 of them connected together. You can easily slide the closed inserts with the jump bands through the center elastic to put 2 inserts on 1 string. On the second string, we're going to do the same thing. There's our jump band. I'm going to easily slide the closed insert over the elastic band in the center so that you now have 4 inserts inside of the Classic Pro. We still have those empty bands right in the center, so we're going to grab those black bands and a 5th and 6th insert, and we're going to slide them right inside so that you guys can see how easy it is to fit 6 inserts inside of the Classic Pro. Six inserts, all tucked nice and neat inside the Classic Pro. Hope you've enjoyed watching this Q-tip from Cannin Plannin. Have a fabulous day.